Okay, so first of all, I was just in the sky, like actual drone footage sky, and now I'm standing under this? And also, why is everyone looking at me like I robbed a bank? I get it, the shorts are a lot for 1332 BC. I'm sorry.
These colors are so vivid. This is not what I expected. Also, a man just full on stopped walking me. Sir, that man just stopped walking to look at me. Sir, I promise I'm not a threat. I'm just very lost in time. It's a whole situation. These columns are bigger than my entire apartment building, like multiple of my apartment buildings. Okay, that priest just gave me a look. I see you, sir. I know I don't belong here. We're both aware. The Sphinx statues just go on and on. How many are there? And those two are full on gossiping about me right now. I can tell. I don't speak ancient Egyptian, but body language is universal. They're saying, "Who let her in?" Okay, that smells incredible. What even is that, frankincense? And he just paused mid-ritual to stare at me. I'm so sorry, please continue. Wait, is that a battle scene? Okay, so picture this, big chariots, lots of yelling, somebody's definitely losing. Losing! I'm basically narrating my own history documentary right now and nobody asked, but here we are. I just gave that guy a thumbs up and he looked so confused. That's fair, he's never seen a thumbs up in his life. I just vented it apparently. Okay, this is actually so peaceful. Lotus flowers everywhere. I could just sit here for... Oh my God, there's a frog! Hi, little guy. You're the only one here not judging my outfit. I appreciate that energy. Wait, they're painting that right now? This is literally being made as we speak? And that man just froze completely with his brush in the air. Sir, please don't let me distract you from making history, literally. She just gave me bread for no reason. The kindness here is unreal. Okay, wait, this is actually so good. Better than anything I've had in 2026. No offense to 2026 bread, but this one's winning. The craftsmanship is insane. No power tools, just hands and patience. Also, that guy is very fixated on my sneakers specifically. I get it. They probably look like magic shoes from another planet, which, accurate. Okay, I think the river is just ahead. That village was honestly terrifying at first because everyone thought I was an alien, but incredibly, let's go cool off. The water is so much clearer than I expected. This is wild. Also, way warmer than I thought. I was bracing for ice cold and it's basically bath water. 1010 ancient plumbing situation here. Okay, is that a crocodile? I am staying right here. Not closer. Absolutely not closer. Also, nobody else is even reacting to this. Is this just a Tuesday for them? Am I about to die of something totally normal here? I'm getting on the boat. This feels like a terrible idea and a great idea at once. He's being so nice about this, by the way. The nicest person I've met all day. Thank you, sir. I promise I won't tip the boat over. Okay, this might be the most peaceful moment of my entire life right now. No notifications, no Wi-Fi, just a reed boat and a possible crocodile somewhere nearby. Truly living my best ancient life. Okay, this is a completely different world out here. It's just rock and silence and so much heat. My sneakers are basically melting. Who designed denim shorts for a desert? Oh right, nobody, because I'm the only idiot wearing them. That looks like such hard work, digging tombs in this heat all day. That man just gave me the most tired look of his life, and honestly, I felt that in my soul. Sir, take a break. You've earned it. I'll just be over here being useless. You can see the actual tool marks. Real hands made these cuts. No power tools. Just patience and probably a lot of complaining. Speaking from experience, I complain about way less than this and call it a hard day. Okay, a hawk just about took my head off. This place has everything. Crocodiles, hawks, judgmental guards. I should have brought a helmet, honestly. Who's in charge of safety around here? This view right here, this might be the best one of the entire trip. Like genuinely, forget the staring and the crocodiles for a second. This is why I'd do this whole thing again in a heartbeat. If I don't make it back to 2026, it was worth it.
See you in the next timeline. Same girl, new century. Who knows what I'll be wearing wrong next time.